nirabanga guchokia kwa watho wa kurira ukui wa mahiu utuku na makilia rita njira ya kuhurana na weici wa mahiu na uria ugumiire matura matiganiite. Akialia mbere ya kamitii ya Senate eegie Ugitiri na iria igutongoretio ni Senator William Cheptum Gukiri uguo ni ataririe ati nimarathuthuria macira 32 na maria marekuirwo ni ma weici wa mahiu.
We do not agree with the petitioners that all the livestock stolen has been transported through the roads and therefore has passed through police roadblocks. We do not share the same view with the petitioners. Of course, we don't rule out a possibility, but our official position is that our investigation so far, and I'll be giving the statistics of where we are in the investigations of the various cases which have been reported. Our investigation so far point routes where we have mounted regular roadblocks. Instead, there have been riders on foot through the farms and bushes. That is where investigations are leading us to in most of the cases that are under investigations, including where we have arrested people and have arraigned them in court.
Gatho bururi kana twacokeria gatho thirikari ya bururi wa Kenya nĩ ndwa gũkorwo magĩethana na mĩtaratara ya kuhurana na weici wa nyamu thĩinĩ wa